Crude oil traded in a no trade zone with a modest bearishness on the downside 77, 76.8 provided it a very good support, and on the upside 77.8, 78 zone. So yes, the levels which we had discussed few hours back are proven out to be a greater support and resistance for crude oil for the day, while it is natural gas which has seen a good dip and it has moved now below 3.5. What to expect now from crude oil and net gas at the US session? Can we expect both to trade opposite, where oil can break out on the upside above 70, or we can see a reversal and a drop? While what about natural gas? Can we see it trading below 3.5, where it can move towards 3.3 levels? Let's see. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels such that you can profit throughout the day. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We look into US crude, followed with nat gas. Watch till now. If you look at oil on the hourly chart, see it is staying in a zone here. It is neither willing to break on the upside nor willing to drop below here. What did we discuss earlier in the day? First 77, 76.8, and then 76.5. If these two levels are taken, then only I will consider oil as bearish. What has happened? It is so far trading in a range, taking the support from 77 levels here. So now 77 is a crucial support, and let it break below this, and then let it break below 76.8 and 76.5. If these three levels are taken, then only I can confirm that it is turned bearish. Else, after this good bullish rise, it is trading in a zone, and I'm waiting for a breakout. The breakout can be either which ways. Any move beyond 78 is a very good indication for further bullishness. The stochastic has dropped, MACD trading bearish, RSI has dropped here. On the 2-hour charts, when you look at the 20 period moving average, is providing it a very good support here, and now the same is sitting at 77. So let it break below 77, and then you can confirm that the bears are back. Specifically, I will say till 76.5, do not treat oil as bearish. I can see that it is trying to trade in this moderately bullish channel, where 78, 78.2 is now going to be the prime resistance here. The stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with moderate divergence, moderate bearishness, looking downwards, and it can continue to erase the gains here. It can move downwards further. There is a possibility, but let it break the critical support. RSI has dropped, coming to 3. On the 3-hour charts also, look at the preceding two candles. See, first of all, it has formed a very good support and a base at 77, 76.8 zone, and then 76.5. So this complete zone, rather I will say in between 77 and 76.5, is going to be the prime support. Now see, couple of bullish candles, though after this red candle it is trying to deliver a red candle here. But yes, if you see it is staying now above 78, certainly you can say that the bulls will be taking over here. So you can buy here at 77.6 levels when you see the lower price above 77.6. But then 77.8, 78 is something you should watch out for. Beyond 78, I can say that the bulls will be taking over. You can look forward to 78.4, 78.5, and in fact 79.2, 79.3 as well. Beyond that, 80 levels should be seen. But right now I can see, because see some of the indicators are getting placed into an overbought zone, and thus there is a more possibility of a drop. But yes, these are markets, the news in favor of bulls here, and thus we have to watch out here on the downside. As long as 76.5 is not taken, do not treat oil as bearish for the day. Very clear. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD has just crossed over, and this is also slight bearish sign. It is also trading with divergence, thus it may continue here on the downside. RSI is just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation, double bottom, one swing candle. There is a possibility that we may see a second bullish candle as well, which can take the prices towards higher highs, towards 78.2, 78.4. Let's see if it breaks beyond 77.6, you can buy, but then you have to be extremely cautious at 78, 78.2, and then 78.5 levels, because see here also the prices are trading with little divergence from the 20 period, and now 20 period moving average sitting at around 76. So till 76.5, you can say we have to be cautious, and below 76 is where you can say that the bears will be taking over. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD is on the verge of a crossover, it is not yet crossed over. The RSI is just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily, and before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. You can see, considering this, see a lower highs and higher lows are seen. Wait for a breakout. See preceding three candles, the highs are beautifully aligned, and yes, this is also at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands, and hence, as I said, till 78.5 on the upside, we have to be cautious with the buys here. While on the downside, till 76.5 and 76, you have to be cautious with the sells as well. See, it is trading with divergence from the 20 period, and hence it may start moving towards 20 period, but right now I can see it is not showing such stronger signs. What I'm talking about is this first green wave and then a retracement, then second green wave. There is a possibility of a retracement. Retracement means what? Retracement, it means a possibility of a move towards 74.5 and 74 zone. The stochastic overbought, the MACD divergent and bullish, and the RSI is also now overbought level. So considering this, I will recommend you to only buy if you see it staying above 77.6. But then this is riskier as long as 78 is not taken. The bullishness in oil or the buys are safer only and only if you see oil trading above 78. Beyond 78, we are looking forward to 78.25, 78.5, and then you can expect 79.2, 79.3. If that is also taken, you can stay bullish for $80 levels directly. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell only if you see it is staying 77, 76.8 zone. Below that also 76.4 should be the first support, 76 should be the next. Any drop below 76 is a very good sign for existing bearishness, where you can expect it to move towards 75 and 74.6 levels as the next targets. I do not see, even if it tries to break these levels, are difficult now, so take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to look at the natural gas. See, natural gas today consistently traded bearish here, delivering lower highs and lower lows, staying in this channel. Now the lows of the channel are 3.45, 3.4 zone, which should be a very, very good support. See, preceding rise was from this level, and thus these levels are going to remain important till towards 3.45, 3.4 zone. And thus, as long as net gas respect this, we have to be watchful. Though right now it is looking downwards, and it appears that it may try to break this zone. Moving average is crossing over here. It's the bearish sign. It is right now looking downwards. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD trading bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is already at bottom. On the 2 hour charts, and on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. See, just a little support, it is getting at 3.48. And see the rise here in natural gas after the retracement, it is also from the same zone. So now let it break below 3.48, 3.45 levels, which should be the good support, and then towards 3.4 and 3.35 levels should be seen here. Right now it is willing to retrace a little and looking downwards, which is a bearish sign. The stochastic oversold here. The MACD trading with extreme divergence, extreme bearishness, looking downwards. See, it is running parallel, which means there is no reversal sign here. It is consistently trading bearish. RSI has dropped as well. On the 3 hour charts, when you see on the 3 hour chart, see third bearish candle, let it stay below 3.48. You can take a sell at 3.48 itself, and then you can expect it to move towards 3.44, 3.45, the first support zone. Below 3.45 is where you can see extreme bearishness, where in fact 3.4 and 3.36, 3.35 levels to be seen as well. Below which you can say now natural gas is turning, as the possibility and recovery will be very, very high. Stochastic oversold, which suggests that there could be a bounce back. The MACD trading with divergence, the MACD trading bearish, looking downwards. Not a good sign for the bulls. It is very, very bearish here. The RSI has dropped, which is also a sign supportive of further bearishness. Coming to the 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observations, see lower highs here and a flat bottom. Let it stay below 3.48, where you can take a sell, expect 3.45, and then below that 3.4 to 3.4 and 3.35 levels should be seen very, very soon. So 3.3536 should be a very good support for the day, even if natural gas tries to erase some of the gains here. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. The MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. Not a good sign, not a healthier sign supportive of bulls. RSI has dropped here. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts, how net gas has behaved since then, since forming the double bottom, one big rise, then retracement, and since this retracement, it is just giving you higher lows, higher highs. Now the support levels here are towards the bottom, that is at 50 period moving average, which means 3.3 levels here. So then if it trades below 3.36, you can expect it to keep moving towards the 50 period moving average, that is sitting at around 3.3 levels. The stochastic has dropped from the top. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell, though it is not necessary, because see, it is already at a lower levels, and thus rather I will expect it to keep moving upwards, keep trading bullish. RSI is also trying to see a little downside. Also, now see, this is taken the support here, so this is going to remain a very good support at 3.48. 20 period moving average indeed has provided a very good support always below, because below this 3.3, 3.32 should be seen. So now we have seen the charts and indicators, and considering this, for me, a buying entry in natural gas is above 3.52. You can expect 3.5455 as the first target, 3.6 as the next. And if you see natural gas breaking beyond 3.6, stay bullish for 3.7 levels. Directly beyond that, sky is the limit. We can again expect it to move towards 3.9 and $4 levels, chances for which appears to be less today at least. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 3.48 levels, expected to move towards 3.45, and if 3.45 is taken, you can expect it to drop towards 3.4, the first target. And if 3.4 is taken, 3.36, 3.3 levels should be seen very soon. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do watch that update as well. Thank you.